this just came in, and it's for my Mavic. I'm sorry, I keep saying Mavic. It's for my Mavic Mini drone. And whenever I get a drone, this is probably, I don't know how many drones later, I always get the extended legs, because when you're flying in grassy areas, which I tend to do a lot, when you land, I don't like the grass to be so tall that it ends up all on top of it. Sometimes I can't even see the drone, or sometimes what happens is that the propellers cut the grass, and then it starts to get like green coloring, and it's just, I like it higher, as tall as I can make it above the grass. So I took it out. I mean, I bought the leg extenders. These were cheap. I should have went and purchased the $5 more, the extra ones. They had other ones that were nicer looking in the pictures. So actually, I don't even know how either one looks, but since this came in already, I'm just gonna stay with these. They're not bad. It's supposed to be very simple to put on, and you're supposed to be able to still fold the drone legs, arms, wings, even with these on. So these might be for the front. Let me see. These should be for the back, and these should be for the front, I'm assuming. No instruction. I only can go by the pictures. So, or actually the screw. So it came with a screwdriver, tiny Phillips screwdriver, and some screws. They're right there. So let me put this away. Let me get the Mavic Mini, because I keep calling it the Mavic, huh? Here it is, and this is the front, and I don't know, the shorter legs go in the front probably. You know, I have no idea how to put this on. Does this go? Is this the way that goes? I guess I'm gonna have to look at the picture. Yeah, this looks like the way it should go. No. All right, let me figure this out. Let me look at the pictures. Oh no, this is for the. These are for the front. These are the front ones, obviously, because now you can slide them in. So this is the front legs, and you slide this in. I believe so. You know, I mean, not push hard. Let me just double check, but I'm almost sure it goes like this. And up. Yep. I'm gonna have to take screws out. Is that what it wants me to do? Oh, because this doesn't have any legs. So this should, I wonder if this is holding the motor. Then I screw this on, and it gives me extra screws. These might need be longer. I don't know. So let's unscrew it and see how it looks. So it looks like the front are fine. I'm pushing them as far as I could, and that's as far as, I think that's as far as they'll go. Yeah, this is far. I don't want to break the legs. Yep, this is as far as they'll go. Up to there. And there. So now let me do the bottom. To take these screws out, and I'll fast forward this part. It's boring.
DJI Mavic Mini Landing Gear Leg Extenders Emergency Landing Drone Accessories Ultralight Height Extended Legs Kits 4 packs. Cost $8.49. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/B083X5WY1H slash ref equals ppx underscore od underscore dd underscore b underscore asin underscore title underscore s00 question mark I equals at f8 ampersand ps equals 1. Color. Foldable landing gear for Mavic Mini effectively improve the drone's ability to adapt to the ground environment during takeoff and landing. Avoid ground debris, less contamination or damage to the lens filter. Elevate front legs of your drone 1.22 inch, 31 mm, and rear legs 1.10 inch, 28 mm. Features a quick release foldable design, quick installation, no need to be removed when the drone is folded and stored, which is convenient and practical. Foldable design, easy to storage into the DJI bags and our RCGEEK carrying case bags. The bottom is equipped with a silicone pad, cushioning shock absorption, weighs only 0.48 ounces and does not affect flight performance. RCGEEK landing gear stand extension leg support protectors for DJI Mavic Mini. Product specifications, packing weight, 0.48 ounces. Package included 4 pieces, 1 set landing gear plus 1 piece Phillips screwdriver. Note, the drone and other parts are not included. Product description. Color. Foldable landing gear for Mavic Mini. Accessories compatible with DJI Mavic Mini landing gear. Legs height extender kit, riser set stabilizers. Supports for installing the landing gear extender leg storage into the carrying case in this ASINS B081QBPX63, B082X8LPQZ, B07V9QPTPC. Product information. Color. Foldable landing gear for Mavic Mini. Package dimensions 4.4 x 1.6 x 0.8 inches. Item weight 0.634 ounces. ASIN B083 x 5WY1HUN SPSC code 60,140,000. DJI Mavic Mini landing gear leg extenders, emergency landing drone accessories, ultralight height extended legs kits, 4 packs.
So I'm going to try a test run to see how it works. As you saw, the height difference. So let me just show you the height. The standard height from the bottom of the there, I don't know what that's called. On the regular standard, it looks like 1 3/8. With the extra legs is now 2.5 total distance from the floor. This one had no clearance. It was just on the floor itself. And now it gives me 1 1/4. So I'm going to try it out. I'll let you know how I feel about it. I think I'm going to like it. It should be no issues whatsoever. It doesn't look like it weighs much at all. It doesn't weigh much at all, and it should work fine. And like I said, keep the screws. All right, I got to try the ultimate test. I almost forgot that before I do the flight. Is that to see if I can actually bend and because this Mini is supposed to be about portability, to make sure that I could still put uh-oh, that's not good. I thought it said it could fold. Oh, there it goes. Okay, is that right? Wait, uh-oh, that is not good. Okay, that came off. Okay, hold on 1 second, let me see. Oh, don't tell me I put it in wrong. Oh, it's got to go the other way so it can... Yep. All right, I put it in wrong. Don't do this. I got to turn it around. Okay, these are gonna be a do not buy. After breaking them, I know I put them on wrong and I broke them, but they shouldn't have broken that easy. I mean, they just snapped right off. And I tried to glue them, but then now that I glued them, I can't get the screws through the holes. It's too much of a pain. For actually $2 more, I saw another item, same type of item, meant for the same thing, for the mini drone, for I think $14.99 at B&H, and they just look better in the picture. Now pictures can be deceiving. I never know until I receive the item, but these definitely are going back. I'm sending these back. These are a no buy. I mean, just like my friend says, this is junk, just junk. They break easily. Don't bother. All right, so I hope the video helps. I hope it was informative. And again, do not buy. Thank you. Bye. I am returning them. Just to add that, I definitely am returning them.